Hi, this is Chippy from UMPCportal.com. This is the Aigo P8860 mobile internet device sent to us from mobilex.eu. Thanks for sending this over for a review. So this is one of the first Intel-based mobile internet devices to be available globally now. And it's a 350 gram handheld with slider keyboard. So very much like the Nokia N810, but it's slightly bigger and a lot more powerful. Quick size comparison, there's a smartphone, there's a netbook. So this is a pocketable device with PC capabilities, which is really a first. So I'll take you quickly around the device. There's a camera shutter button on the top here, headset, USB, volume up, down, micro SD card slot, which is very useful for transferring files. That can take 8 or 16 gig micro SD card, no problem, and USB host for using this as a hard drive. On the bottom, there's power, microphone, power and lock button. On the right hand side, external GPS antenna connector, a lamp for the wireless connectivity, and a lamp for power as well. On the back, there's a very good, actually, mono speaker. The battery sits under there. There's a little stylus and hard reset button there. But really, I find the big feature of this one is the keyboard. It's a thumb board, and it's actually quite good. Some crampness, is that the word, at the top here, as your thumb hits the bottom of the frame. But apart from that, it's actually pretty good. I would like to have seen a second shift button over here. Because, for example, Shift A means you have to move the thumb right over, making it rather uncomfortable. But actually, for instant messaging, emails, I'm finding it really, really good. I've actually done a couple of blog posts on this as well, so gives you an idea of how good it is. The user interface is tailored based on Linux, so done by a company called Midinux in Asia. And it's reasonable. There's a reasonable set of applications, but this is not iPhone quality. In fact, some of the applications are very thin and very basic. So, for example, the Media Center is nothing more than a file browser, picking out the media files in your file system. The audio player can handle playlists, but there's no features, for example, for searching by genre or even listing or editing the ID3 tag. So it's pretty basic, but it does do what it says. It plays music and it plays videos, and it does play them very well. The video quality, the hardware support for video here, and the codecs are very good. A couple of problems I've seen with codecs which haven't been developed properly yet. For example, I've seen errors on H.264 videos and on some DivX videos where there's been a green bar. I might be able to show you that in a minute. Other features, we've got a photo viewer on here, which allows you to look at photos nicely. Of course, there's a lovely bright screen, and it's got a little finger control as well, which allows you to rotate pictures. Nice, because of the lovely screen, it's a very nice way to view photographs. That's enough of my family. This hasn't got 3G in, but it's got wireless LAN and it's got Bluetooth. So I'm going to switch the wireless LAN on and show you a browser. So there's a nice connectivity application here, which allows you to scan wireless networks and connect very easily. Obviously, I've preloaded the key into my local wireless network here. That's connected, and you can see that the blue light is showing that I'm connected. So the browser I've got installed in here is Firefox 3. It comes with CoolFox, which is based on the same engine as Firefox 3, but has a slightly different UI. I actually prefer Firefox 3 because you can do a lot more with it in terms of installing add-ons, and they've got the nice full-screen capability as well here. I'm just loading up Google Reader, which is an Ajax application, very heavy on processor, and on most smartphones you wouldn't actually use this because it takes so long to load. You could have actually gone out and bought a newspaper in the time that it takes to load it. So this is really nice. You've got the full keyboard shortcut capability as well. Everything is working. I can go through to media, go through to the full websites. Here's Akihabara, that's loading from Japan. So there's a couple of demos I want to show you now. What I've done is I've just transferred a couple of files from my netbook. This is an Aigo Mini, which is the same as the MSI Wind, onto a micro SD card here. I'm just going to pop that into the top of the Aigo here. So obviously transferring files is really really not a problem. It works really well with these netbooks actually as a partner device. Netbooks obviously don't go in your pocket, so this is a great balance between pocketability and capability. So let's have a look at the videos I've transferred. I think I'm going to be able to demo one of the problems that I've seen with the codec. So this is a film I downloaded from the DVD I have. I copied it, and as you can see, green bar and green bar down there. So actually the performance underneath is actually exceptional. This is about 2.5 megabits, I believe, full film, and the screen quality is fantastic, but there's a codec error there. Let's just show you a different one. This is one I just recorded on this camera, which is actually 15 megabits per second MJPEG.
Of the Aigo MID P8860 from mobilex.eu. Fits between a smartphone and a netbook very nicely. This is just a video demo to be played on the Aigo during the real demonstration.
So there you go. So that was MJPEG content playing very good. I've also got, if we go back to the media player interface, again I've got some videos here which were downloaded from the internet. For example, this is Cranky Geeks. It's an H.264 version of Cranky Geeks. That's working perfectly. Very nice quality, as I said. This is a DivX that I found from another website. Yes. Nice content, nice quality. And some stuff I took on my phone. Really, really nice. If they can fix the couple of codec issues they've got, it makes a really, really nice media player. The second thing I wanted to quickly demo is connectivity over Bluetooth. So I'm going to turn the wireless LAN off now, and we'll turn that off there. You should see the blue light has gone off. We're going to turn Bluetooth on. I'm going to show you how I'm going to pair with the N82. So of course I've already paired the device, so these two devices know about each other. The Bluetooth is switched on this device. So all I need to do is just select the device, and it tries to connect using the dial-up networking profile. I've just rebooted the N82, and that seems to be working perfectly. So that, as I said, about 10 seconds to connect. Should connect about now. That's connected, and then we should be able to, with the browser, go straight in. So no wireless LAN connectivity. The blue light is not on. I'm going to go into, unfortunately, Vodafone has a proxy. So I have to set up the proxy in Firefox, unfortunately. So let's just try that again. And there we go. So that was the problem. Full screen that, and Google News should be with us. Or have I just? No, I've just downloaded. I've just connected to Akihabara. 1 second. Let's try that again. Great demo, Steve. And he does it again. News. I think that's going to get it now. Seems to be connected. It's full screen there. There we go. So there's over Bluetooth now. The news page is loading. We're connected over HSDPA on the phone, so it's pretty quick. Once it's all connected, obviously I had a few problems there. It's actually extremely good quality, and you kind of wonder why you might need 3G built in. Obviously 3G makes it a lot easier. You don't have any of those problems, but for using it on the go, if you've got a smartphone capable or a phone capable of Bluetooth connectivity, dial-up networking is the profile you need to know about. It works well. So, in summary then, great device, thin applications that could be better. The codecs need fixing. Some applications need bulking out in terms of capability and features. But this is pretty much the only device on the market that's going to give you full internet capability in your pocket. The actual platform itself is brilliant. Intel have done a good job with the Atom, and Compal, who made this device, have done a good job with the hardware. Seems solid, well built, good capability. I like it. Thanks Mobilex for sending it over. For anyone that wants more information, go to umpcportal.com, where there's a number of articles about the Aigo MID. And for pricing and information, mobilx, mobilx.eu. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.